Guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be making 2 Seax knives from files. Let's get to it. Sure. Alright, so we're just gonna start cleaning up these shoulders, make it so I can do less grinding later. And that is not where I want that, so I'm just gonna try and flatten that out. So now I'm just gonna start working on the tip. We're going for a broken back Seax kind of tip, so I'm gonna start slanting this down. So, looks like I'm going to have to grind that to shape. I'm just going to make sure there isn't too much of a curve. Straighten it out, give it a bit more of a slant. And I'll start flattening out the blades, getting rid of those rings from the files. Cut. Waiting for that knife to cool, we're going to go ahead and take these handle materials and we're going to drill a hole in them just to make it easier for when we do the burn through to fit the tangs into the wood. So just going to put this in the vise to cool down. Just going to do what my understanding is of a rough normalizing sequence. If you're a blacksmith and I'm doing this wrong, please let me know so I can fix it. Okay, so now that this is normalized, we're going to start the grinding on it. Just going to get a rough shape, start one of the edges. Not going to sharpen it. Going to wait to do that after the quench, but let's start. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and quench this first knife. A little bit better grip on this. But, alright, here we go. Temper the second blade. I tried to show the tempering of the first blade, but I missed the record button, so here we go. Just gonna push it in and out a couple of times. Alright, so here we go for the last grinding on the first blade. This is just polishing up the shape, fixing anything I want to fix that can be fixed. It's pretty straight as I'm going to get it, so let's get into it. So we've stuffed it full of epoxy. Well, not completely full, so I'm just going to try and get some more in there. Alright, so here I'm working on the handle, just shaping it. I peened over the tip of the tang, so there's just a bit of a mechanical support here, helping to keep the handle on, so it's not just epoxy. So I've got this handle about where I want it to. I'm just going to shorten back here a bit, and then I'm going to round all the edges. So yeah, let's get back to it. Alright guys, here we have them. 2 Seax knives from Files. So the handles are a bit bulkier than I would have liked. They're a bit blockier, but I started with quite a lot of wood material and was running out of daylight. So I decided to just round them up, call it good. But if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with any of your friends who you think would enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.